In this video, let's see how to create an email campaign. In the navigation bar, click on Email. In the Email Campaign section, click on Create Email Campaign. Enter the campaign name in the Campaign Name field. Select the sender from the drop-down menu. Choose a contact group from the drop-down menu. Click on the Compose Email button on the bottom of the form to proceed. Select a template group from the drop-down options. Then from the drop-down menu, choose a template. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the form. You can either choose to schedule the campaign for later or start it now. The campaign is now successfully initiated. In the pop-up, click on View All Campaigns to see the list of your campaigns. Thank you for watching.